Welcome to Omi's Kitchen. We're back with another recipe. I've made a Mediterranean pasta salad with air fryer barbecue chicken. This is always a big hit for my family. They love it. The pasta salad never lasts very long. It has all the veggies. This is the perfect time to try out this recipe. We have 4th of July coming up. And it's summertime, it's hot outside. This won't take you very long to make. You won't have to be in the kitchen, heating up your kitchen and stuff like that. So this is a great recipe. Thank you for coming back and viewing another video. Be sure to like and subscribe. I'm going to preheat the air fryer at 400 degrees for 5 minutes and let it go before I put the chicken in. And in the meantime, I'm gonna spray the basket. So here we go. I'm gonna put it down to 5 minutes. And let it go. The first thing we're going to do is season our chicken, and for that I have some seasoned salt, some lemon pepper, and some garlic powder. So I'm gonna go ahead and season the chicken up and then get it in the air fryer. Don't be afraid to really season it up. Don't be afraid to get some seasoning on there. Okay, and then we're gonna toss it around to get it coated. About ready to get into the air fryer. And we'll run it on 400 for 30 minutes, and we'll turn it in about 15, like halfway through. And then we'll put the barbecue sauce on it at the end. We are making a Mediterranean Greek pasta salad, and I'm going to start making the dressing for it. So let's get started with a half a cup of oil. And then some red wine vinegar, a half a cup of that also. And to cut the acidity of the vinegar and stuff like that, a teaspoon of sugar. And then we have some salt and pepper, basil, oregano, 1 garlic powder. And that's it. So then we're going to take it and mix it. Get a really good mix on that so that when you're putting your other ingredients in, there's a lot of vegetables in here and just really, really good ingredients. You could use this salad as just a meal by itself. So it's really a great salad to have. And also if you're doing a picnic or a barbecue or something like that, you can take the salad. It's great. So I have 2 cups of pasta here, and you put that in. All right, so you want to get your pasta all nice and coated. I have some mushrooms. And then some tomatoes. These are the cherry tomatoes, or the little cherub tomatoes. Put those in there. I also have black olives. And I usually use the big ones and stuff, but I didn't have any today, so I just use the ones that I have. And then I have some green onions. I use 6 green onions, cut them up, chop them up, put them in here. I also use three different colors of peppers. I use green peppers, red peppers, and then the orange ones, just because they're pretty and they make it look really nice, I think. So there it goes in there, and then you want to mix that up a little. Look at that, isn't that beautiful? All those colors and stuff. It's definitely a summer type of recipe that's going to make you feel really, really good about getting all your veggies in also. All right, and then we also have salami. This recipe calls for pepperoni, but I like salami, so we put salami in there. My family likes it that way too. And I have some feta cheese, and I use the whole thing of feta cheese. Just pour it in there. Bam, you're done. Look at that. The pasta salad is put together. And this has everything you're going to need in it. It's just delicious. You're gonna take this and you're gonna put a cover on it, put it in the refrigerator for maybe 2 or 3 hours, because it tastes better the longer it sits in the refrigerator. So if you make it the night before, like a barbecue or a picnic or the 4th of July or something like that, it is going to be absolutely delicious. There you go. There's that. And there's your Mediterranean pasta salad. It was that quick to put together. I just put a cover on it, so then you just put it in the fridge and cool it a little bit, and your family is gonna love it. I would say probably about 2 hours. You put it in there. If you want to do it overnight or something like that, you can do that also. That's it. Now we're ready to add our chicken to our air fryer. It's been preheated at 400 for like 5 minutes. And I pre-oiled the pan with olive oil spray. I can get probably about 6 in here. I don't like to have them touching or whatever. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, maybe one more. So you might have to do it in little sections. And this goes in there for 30 minutes on 400. And in the middle, about 15 minutes, you open it up and flip them over and then do them another 15 minutes. 30 minutes. At 400. And there we go. Okay, it's been about 15 minutes now, so I'm going to stop the air fryer. And I'm going to pull these out and I'm going to turn them around. We're going to flip them around in the other side so the other side can get nice and done for another 15 minutes. And we're going to flip them. "30 minutes is usually what it takes. Gets them nice and they're so moist. They are so delicious. So there we go. We flipped them all and we're going to stick them in there and let them go for another 15 minutes. So now we're going to remove the chicken and put some barbecue sauce on it. I have some Sweet Baby Ray's that I'm putting on it today. And so here's the chicken. Here's what it looks like. Looks delicious. Smells delicious. Yes, sir. I'm just putting a second batch. Gonna see. I guarantee. Yeah. Okay. "30 minutes at 400. We're just gonna take some barbecue sauce and I have a little brush and I'm just gonna brush these really well. And you, because they're hot, you can just put it on there pretty liberally and then you're good to go. Once they cool off a bit, you're ready to eat. I like Sweet Baby Ray's. I think it's probably my favorite. There's some other ones that are good too, but this is what we're doing today. And because it's hot, the barbecue sauce will just kind of adhere to the chicken. So that's a good thing too. So even though it looks like it'd probably be really messy, it's not really as messy as it looks. Just flipping these around so I can get some barbecue sauce on the other side. And that'll be good to go. Okay, you get the first bite. Oh, give it a try, and if you try this recipe, leave me a comment. Let me know how much you liked it, how your family liked it, and if you changed anything in it, how it tasted. Just let me know. Thank you.